What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue when you're unable to download YouTube videos on the mobile app. If you're using mobile data to download videos on your YouTube Premium account, you need to disable the Only Download over Wi-Fi setting. To do this, open the YouTube app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the gear icon at the top right to open your settings. Scroll down to the Video and Audio Preferences section. Tap on Background and Downloads and toggle off Download over Wi-Fi only. Check if you can now download YouTube videos via the mobile data. If you're connected to Wi-Fi before trying any other fixes, the first thing you should do is check your internet connection. Open up your settings, go to Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to a network. If it shows connected but no network or any similar error, try switching to a different Wi-Fi connection or enabling mobile data to see if that helps. Once your internet is working properly, go back to the YouTube app, scroll to any video you want to download, tap on the three dots next to it and select Download. If you only see the option to download in low quality and high quality downloads are disabled, check if you are signed in with your YouTube Premium account. If you do have YouTube Premium but your downloads are still restricted, make sure your last subscription payment was successful. A failed payment could have reverted your account to the free version of YouTube, which only allows low quality downloads. To verify this, go to your YouTube settings, tap on Purchases and Memberships, and verify your subscription status. If your YouTube Premium is inactive, you will need to renew your subscription to access high-quality downloads. In case you already have YouTube Premium and confirmed that it's active, but some downloaded videos are missing or unavailable, simply tap on those videos and try to re-download them. If you see an error message saying that the video is not available, this means the uploader has either deleted the video or removed the option to download it. In that case, the only solution is to remove that video from your download list since it's no longer available. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.